FU stands for fair use, but it doesn't matter because what I say is so real, they usually snatch and grab it anyway. What's up? What's up? This is his lordship. You know, you really got to watch every little step you take when riding these motor vehicles. This lady had an unfortunate fatal accident. Okay, she got hit by a Mack truck and she slammed into the white SUV, and then you can see that part of her attire is in between the cars, and then her wheel makes it all the way to the curb. She didn't make it, you know, and this is a good reminder that regardless of safety gear, you can still die because it's not 100% proof of non-injury, okay?
Yo, what's up? Yeah, His Lordship back from, you know, some stuff, man. I had a bad accident, you know. I can't go into details, but there wasn't no GoFundMe and all that stuff, but it was a go heal me.
Yeah, we talk about safety gear, safety gear, safety gear, but being alert and not, you know, ignoring traffic laws. You're not superhuman. You got to focus on intersections, blind spots. That lady, she was in another country, so the roads are the opposite of where we're at. You know, they drive on the right side of the street or the left side or something like that. But steering wheel is on the other side of the car sometimes. So there are different dynamics. Don't think that you have on a suit of armor that's going to protect you from every situation. You must be aware of traffic laws, people, cars, you know, senior citizens, rodents, raccoons, deers, you know. And nobody's, even if people do stop for you, they're going to need stop and distance, just like you. You don't have like hard brakes, you know. You could blow a fuse, you could slide, you could still fall and slide. So here are other examples on vehicles that, that humans are more exposed to cars and stuff like that. And sometimes they do things to themselves. So here's a couple of more examples, you know. Now, this rider seems to be in good spirits. She had a good attitude. This is only a fraction of her statement, but she kept a good attitude. She usually don't wear any chest protection, and so she did wear it in time for the accident, etc., etc.
Nossa. Nossa.
at this point in your career, you got to really use some common sense. I mean, barefoot, come on. I seen people barefoot on motorcycles and mopeds, and no safety gear, no knee pads. This guy, he can kiss his feet goodbye. One of his foot is definitely broken, at the ankle or something like that. I played two perspectives from the bottom half and the top half because, these people record these videos, their home videos. They use vertical angle.
We have died already. Our lives, progressions of death, whom shall we fear?